Unique International Private Ltd is a recognized export house, engaged in the manufacturing and export of high-quality leather bags and accessories, for both men and women. Established in the year 1977, the journey for Unique International was not always easy. We have come a long way, where there have been days when our founder GC Agarwal has produced goods in his own home, due to a lack of a production space and machinery. Passion and unwavering commitment to quality over the years has catapulted Unique from a small business to a large export house, catering to clients across the world. Today, Unique is run by a team of professional experts. Its research and development team is working round the clock together with the Italian team for the development of new ideas to keep up with the new trends. The company's motto, quality, that compels admiration, drives them to strive for uncompromising craftsmanship and meticulous precision in its delivery of products to its customers. All its raw materials, whether it be leather or reinforcements, are carefully tested and checked for all quality conformities and standards laid down by its buyers. This ensures a trouble-free and timely production delivery. Unique has a very sound infrastructure and has moved on with the times, making the right blend of age-old workmanship and modern techniques to bring in a sustainable product delivery solution to its worldwide customers. The company is using computer-aided pattern making and laser technology for precision in its several processes to drive efficiency in its operations. While hand gluing remains a useful and versatile method of bonding, Unique has supplemented it with latest tape and spray gluing machines. Equipped with sophisticated and modern imported machines, Unique has enabled itself to optimize its resources in order to drive synergies at all levels, and thereby giving a competitive product to its customers. Despite the advancements in technology and machinery, Unique has always believed that the human touch is what makes leather goods so special and unique. The skilled craftsmen and experts at Unique are the backbone of the company and its greatest asset. These craftsmen have been honing their skills for generations, and their knowledge and expertise have been passed down from one generation to the next. No matter how many machines and technologies come into play, the art of leather craftsmanship cannot be replaced. Unique is a socially compliant company, maintaining adequate health and safety standards, as required by various international certification bodies. The company understands that happy products come from a happy workforce, and takes pride in providing its employees with a supportive and nurturing environment. All the products pass through stringent quality checks before they are packed and made ready for dispatch. Immaculate quality, backed by a very high delivery standard, has enabled the company to have a long and stable partnership with its Italian partner, Lemmy S.p.A., through which it caters to names like Hugo Boss, Harman Ten & Blaine, and Hackett. Unique has a futuristic approach to business, and it is already envisioning building up a 100,000 square feet factory in Bantala, close to the tannery area. The new setup will be equipped with energy-saving solar panels, and the goal for the future is to move to a near-zero emission factory. Unique is also looking at diversifying into other categories, such as belts, where they are contemplating a joint venture with its Italian partner, Lemmy as well, which already has a highly sophisticated factory for making belts in Italy. The association with Lemmy has not only been for marketing and selling, but also technical and strategical. The two companies have complemented each other perfectly over the years, and have grown together. Join us on this exciting journey as we continue to innovate, grow, and deliver exceptional leather goods to customers around the world.